Tired of your AI voiceovers sounding like they're stuck in slow motion? Today, we're diving straight into ElevenLabs to show you exactly how to crank up the speed of your AI-generated voices first. Log into your ElevenLabs account if you don't have one yet. Head over to ElevenLabs and sign up for free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the voice settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several adjustable parameters. We're focusing on key 1 stability and clarity plus similarity enhancement. Start with the stability slider. Lowering this slider can subtly increase the pace of the voice. Be careful not to lower it too much, as it can also affect the quality of the voice. Try decreasing it by 10% increments and generating sample speech each time. Next, play with the clarity plus similarity enhancement slider. This one has a more direct impact on speed. Lowering this slider will generally make the voice speak faster. Again, experiment in small increments. Lower it slightly and generate a sample. Then listen back to see if it's the right pace for your project. Remember, the ideal settings will vary depending on the specific voice you're using and the content you're creating, so experiment with different combinations of these settings until you achieve the desired speed and clarity. And that's it. You've now learned how to adjust the speed of your ElevenLabs voices. Go forth and create voiceovers that perfectly match your needs, whether it's for a quick explainer video or a dynamic presentation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more ElevenLabs tips and tricks.